So now I have cutted all the pattern pieces out with 1 centimeter of seam allowance. And before I take off the pattern sheets, I want to mark some places where there's markings on the pattern. And I do that with safety pins. Then it's not going off. For instance, here it says the sleeve seam is going out here, so I simply put one in there and close it. I think it's easier with pins, so when I'm messing around with this, they don't jump off. You can also cut in it, but I don't like that. Either. What is it with cats? They are always joining. So, and also here where the godet in the back goes up, I put one. You might not be able to see that before Simba. And I have cut up where the gusset is going back, but only to here, and the godet is going into here, just to make sure it is in the middle. So that is that on this. But on the sleeve, there's a lot. Ooh. Here there's more. This sleeve, it's from Mousselot, and the seam goes up here and meets the seam here. So there's several marks that are clever to do here. And of course on both of them. There you have them. So now I can take off this. Sleeves. Back. This fabric I got from historical clothing textile. It's quite nice. It's a thin vatmel felted twill that I dyed with indigo, and I'm getting blue. That's the pleasure with indigo. This one do not have any. The side pieces here. And the back. So, ready for sewing. By the way, I'll show you a smart way to keep your patterns on. Or I find it smart. You make a hole in them. You can do that with whatever you like, but I think that makes this big hole, that's smart, but you can just make a hole, cut a hole with a knife. This, and then just simply take your hanger, put them on. And then you simply hang it in your closet or in some closets. But first, important, mark on the outside which one it is. And the date, or at least the year. If it's for you, it can change, you know, the size. Mine does, up and down. So now it's very easy to go and find it. So, first thing I want to do is the go day in the back.